Focus on these type of ads if you want sales or growth in 2024. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is BizLift and this is BizLift NG YouTube channel. Welcome to this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel basically talks about Facebook ads, Instagram ads. We talk about advertising and how you can use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and every other social media platforms to generate growth and sales for your business. So if this is your first time to this YouTube channel, thank you so much for coming and watching this video. Thank you so much. Do leave a subscribe or a thumbs up after watching this video. And if you are an existing subscriber, thank you so much for coming to this video. I do appreciate all the time that you spend watching my videos. I appreciate that a whole lot. Thank you so much. This video is absolutely about me telling you the type of ad that you need to focus on in 2024, right? Of course, yes, it's a new year. Of course, we're getting ready to get into a new year and everybody's pumped up and ready for that new year. But what are the type of ad that you need to run so that you are not wasting money like you did in 2023 or 2022? You want to get real results from your ads. This is the video that you need to watch. Now, watch this video to the end because I'm going to be sharing quite a lot of things that will be helpful to your advertising in 2024. Now, the first thing you need to understand is that your offer needs to be very clear. Right? I've seen a lot of people say they want to get results from their ads, and I ask them, well, what is the content that you're using to run your ads? And what I'm seeing doesn't have a clear messaging, and there's nothing clear about the offer, right? So you need to be very clear about your offer. What exactly are you offering people, right? What are you selling? If you're selling clothes, bags, and shoes or fashion items, oh, we sell fashion items and these are the deals we have for you, right? You need to be clear on the offers. That is the first thing, and that can actually make or mar your advertising. So first thing is to be clear on the offer, right? Prepare your offer, ensure it is attractive enough for people to want to patronize you. That's the first thing, right? Now, once your offer is clear, the next thing you want to do is to create the content for your offer. Now, understand that content for me takes a lot of percentage in ad conversion. Why am I saying this? Is because, I mean, when people want their ads to really convert, I tell them you need to work on the content. Why? Because people will consume the content, right? And that will be what will lead them to buying or taking action on whatever it is that you have put out. So the content is really very important. So ensure that you have great images or great videos. Of course, in 2024, by now, you should know that video is king and you need to leverage videos for your advertising. So ensure that you have clean, crisp, and clear sound on your videos. Ensure that if you have to, go all out and hire a videographer to do something great for you. If you can do that, I mean, this is 2024. You should be able to hire somebody to do a great job for you with your videos. That way you can improve and 10x your conversion just by people seeing clean and clear representation of your product. It's really, really, really important. Okay. Now, what are the other things that you need to look out for? Right now, let me also mention that there are certain campaigns that I'm going to be showing you that you should create. Right now, talking about campaigns, I'm going to be having a workshop live in Lagos on the 27th of January. It's going to be happening in Lagos. For those who are watching and you're in Lagos and you want to be part of this workshop is called the Lagos Ad Mastery Workshop, where we're going to be breaking down Facebook and Instagram ads. I'm going to be showing you the different campaigns to run either for growth or for sales. I'm going to be showing you these campaigns, breaking everything down, working on your strategy for the year 2024. If you want to be part of this, you can check somewhere in my description for how you can be part of this, a link where you can purchase this. Is going to just cost you 50,000 naira per person. So just quickly check that and you can take a decision on that if you want to be part of it. All right, so let's get back to the video. Now, what I'm going to show you right now are the campaigns that I believe will help you whether you're trying to make sales or whether you're trying to grow. Okay, so let's quickly look at now. I'm right on my ads manager, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is to create a campaign I'm going to start by creating a campaign for sales. Now, there are certain objectives that you need to focus on if you're trying to make sales. If your goal is to make sales, you need to focus on these objectives that I'm about to share with you. Okay. Now, first objective is going to be engagement. You need to focus on this objective, engagement, right? Now, reason is because this objective is going to help people to engage on your content, on the ad itself, and from there you're going to be getting a lot of people send you messages from your ad. Now, doing this from the ads manager is a lot cheap, so I want to advise that you do this from the ads manager. So use the engagement campaign, right? It's very, very effective. Now, all you have to do is just create your campaign, just click continue. Now, use your manual engagement campaign, right? And the next thing you need to do is to ensure that you are choosing Now, the A/B test and the campaign budget, I'm going to do another video about that. Okay, so just watch out for that video. All right. Now, the messaging apps is what we're going to be using. Messaging apps is what we're going to be driving the engagement to, so that people will see the advert and they're able to message us. It works a lot, guys. It really works. Okay, so messaging apps. Then you come here and select the particular Instagram page. So let's say this is right. So you select the Instagram page. Now there are options for WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram. I would advise you to choose just one. So you can either use WhatsApp alone or you use Instagram if you want to. So for this, I'm going to be using Instagram, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to be optimizing my performance goal on conversations, because you understand that conversations is what will lead to sales for me. So I don't want to optimize for link clicks. No, I don't want to pay for adverts only when people click my link. No, I want to pay when people actually send me a message. Okay, that is what you need to choose, the maximized number of conversation. Now, on budget, right? This is 2024. We are talking budget. Then you should be spending anything between 4,000 to 5,000 naira daily, or even above that, right? So for this one, I'm going to be spending 7,000 naira daily. That would give me more options and even give me more results. Okay, now this is a trick that I want to show you. Now, instead of setting an end date for your advert, can you just leave it turned off? Now, don't set an end date. Just all you have to do is just to know when you want to turn your ads off when you're not getting results, and you can easily turn it off. Reason why is that sometimes when you do not set an end date, you leave wide open your budget spend. So Facebook believes that you might be spending quite a lot of budget because you're not choosing an end date. But if you choose a particular end date, say you're going to be running your advert for 1 week, then Facebook knows that your advert is just 1 week, right? And that might limit, in a certain way, that might limit, because you said that you're going to be spending this amount. But when you leave the end date open, they're not sure on how much you're going to be spending eventually. So that usually would help the advert also. So I'm going to leave the end date. Okay, now the ad scheduling and the budget scheduling, I'm also going to leave that. That is not very important right now. So what I'm going to do is, now on the location, I'm going to advise you to work with 2 locations for this particular one. So work with 2 locations where you know you have great results. For me, I'm using Lagos only for this ad, right? So if you can work with 2, work with 2. If you can't do only 1 location, it's perfect. So do 1 location. I'm doing Lagos for this particular one. Then under the audience and the advantage audience, I'm going to switch it to original audience. By now you should know that already. So once we switch to the original audience, now on the location again, I can change this 25 mil radius to about 50, okay, or 45 thereabout. So I've changed it to 50. That means it's going to cover a wider range, a 50 radius range of Lagos. Okay, so I think that makes a lot of sense. Okay, now for age, I'm going to be doing anything between, now whatever advert or whatever product you're selling, I want to beg you to do between 23 and 40 to 50, right? Depending on your type of product, but anything between 23 to 50 works a lot better. Now, for the gender also, if your product is for both genders, I would advise you choose one gender that responds to your ad a lot better. All you can do is to check your previous advert, see the gender that responds to your advert more, and if you can notice a trend, right? If you notice a trend with the gender, then you choose the gender that has a lot of share. Okay, so I'm going to choose women for this. Now, when it comes to the detailed targeting also, what I'd advise you to do is to do a targeting that consists of your niche first, then the audience that can actually buy your product, which is a rich audience. Then, I mean, those 2 majorly would give you good results. So what you need to do is, so let's say I'm doing this for an advertising agency, right? So I'm going to be focusing on Facebook. Okay, I'm going to be focusing on Facebook, right? And then I'm also going to be focusing on advertising. Okay, so I'm going to focus on advertising. Then I'm going to click the suggestions just to give me a bit more digital marketing. Now, because I want business owners also, I'm going to choose business owners, business to business. Then click on the suggestions. I'm going to click on small business owners, right? So that's a behavior, makes a lot of sense also. Small business, okay. Advertising campaign. So I'm going to just choose between the niche and the reach. Now, when it comes to the reach, what you want to do is to use targets like luxury, right? So if you sell product, you want to be using targets like luxury, targets like luxury goods, luxury vehicle, you know. So luxury goods, luxury vehicle, luxury lifestyle. This type of targeting will help you with the rich audiences, right? So it's important you mix these luxury targets with your niche targets to give you a good blend that will work for you. Okay, so once you've done this, the next thing is to come to the placement. Of course, because you have chosen Instagram alone, automatically the placement is going to be Instagram alone. You can see it here. So we have just Instagram there. That is going to be our placement. So once you're done selecting the placement, just click next. Now this is the part where you put in the content that is for your ad. Now I want to advise that you use an existing post. What does it mean? That means you should use a post that is already on your page. Okay, so use an existing post, select the post that you want to use for this particular ad, right? And then just click on continue, right? So the post has been selected. The final thing you're going to do is you're going to select a message template, right? Or you just edit the message template. What does that mean? This is an automated message that can respond to people based on what they select. Okay, so somebody says, I'm interested, can you tell me more? You can give an answer to that. If somebody says, are you available to chat? You can give an answer. You can actually reset the questions or change the questions to suit what you want, right? So maybe like, I am interested, what is the account details? Then you can put in the account details as the automated response. That's pretty much about what this part does. Okay, so set the automation, the message template well to what you want, and then you can publish your advert. Now this is for the sales advert, right? I'm going to be doing another video where I'm going to be explaining what to do if you want to grow your Instagram for this year. If you want to grow your Instagram in the year 2024, I'm going to be doing another video that will cover that type of campaign, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to grow your following in the year 2024. I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this. Now this is to help you for your sales, right, in the year 2024. This is the type of campaign that I expect you to run. This campaign is a lot cheaper. It doesn't require you to have a website, right? I mean, it can work without you having a website, and you can still get good results from it. All right, thank you so much. I hope you've gained value from this. If you've watched this video thus far, let me know where you're watching from, and also leave me a thumbs up and also a comment. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.